Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. My name is Sally Rafiat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my content so that I will be happy and ginger to give you plenty content and plenty bangers. So today we'll be talking about what men are to wear and what they are not to wear in Islam. Please, no false languages, and please let us understand that my content are mainly for Muslims and whoever who is interested in Muslim content. We are Muslims and we all know the rules and regulations. We know that whatever is forbidden in Islam is forbidden, no question asked. So moving on, today we'll be talking about things that are forbidden in Islam for men to wear and what they are not to wear. Number one, men are not supposed to wear silk. Any silken cloth is forbidden for men to wear. And the Prophet ﷺ said, any man who wear a silk cloth on this earth will not wear it on the day of judgment. And during the life of the Prophet ﷺ sent a silk cloth to Ali ibn Abu Talib and he wore it out. On getting outside, he saw the Prophet ﷺ and with the look on the Prophet's face, he was so angry. And then what did Ali did? He removed the clothes and tore it into pieces and gave it and distributed it to his wife. So this really told us that men are not supposed to wear silken clothes in Islam. 2. Shaving the beards. Why? Why will you shave your beard? Do you want to look like a girl? In Islam, keeping the beards is regarded as wajib, which means mandatory. It is mandatory for you to keep your beard. It is sunnah. The Prophet ﷺ said, any man who keeps the sunnah going will be rewarded accordingly. Don't you want to be rewarded? As a Muslim, why you, even the non-Muslim are leaving their beards? You don't want to be fine. Don't you know that beard is one of the beauties of men? And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is making you see the beauty in yourself. You now want to be shaving it off. Why? And from the table of Al-Bukhari and Muslim, they said, the Prophet ﷺ said, trim the mustache and leave the beards. That's on period. 3. Piercing. As a Muslim, you're not supposed to do things that are made for the adornment of a woman. And in this world that we have, piercing is one of the adornments of a woman. And as a man, why do you want to be behaving like a woman? Why do you need to pierce your hair? It is regarded as makruh in Islam and it is haram. It is forbidden. Men are not allowed to pierce their ears. 4. Wearing gold. Ali reported that the Prophet ﷺ put a silken cloth on his right hand and a gold on his left hand, saying that these two are haram, that they are not permissible in Islam. You are not supposed to wear them as a man, but it is permissible as a woman to wear. Number 5, wearing shorts that does not reach the knee. In Islam, the aura, which means the private part of a man in Islam, starts from the navel to the knee. So, as a man, why do you want to be showing me your nakedness? Do you want to cause fitna? 6, wearing red, yellow, orange is forbidden for men. In Islam, these colors are regarded as makruh and haram, and the Prophet ﷺ forbade it for men to wear. 7, having tattoo. We all know this one. Having tattoo is strictly forbidden in Islam for a man and for a woman. But for a woman, you can get the temporary one, which is the henna. But for a man, why do you want henna? So it is forbidden for you to wear tattoo. As a Muslim, you can't be making a permanent imprint on your body. It is even not good. Water will not penetrate in your body now. And if water is not penetrating in your body, what is the purpose of the wudu and the ghusl that you are doing? But if you have been a non-Muslim and you had your tattoos done before you became a Muslim, Allah has waved the sin away for you. But as a Muslim, if you're a Muslim and you know this one, that you're not supposed to do tattoo, and you did tattoo, you do orikoko and you did tattoo, my dear, get what is coming for you. Number 8, shaking hands with a non-maharam. Habibi, go and marry. Go and marry if you want to shake hand with non-maharam. As a man, why would you be shaking hands with somebody that is not your wife? Somebody that is not your sister? Somebody that is not your mommy? Don't do that now. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, it is better for a man to hold a hot burning charcoal in your hand than to shake a woman. See the gravity of that sin. It is better for you to hold a burning charcoal in your hand than to shake a woman of opposite gender. Yes. Number 9, looking at other women. Lower your gaze. Habibi, lower your gaze. When you are walking, lower your gaze. That's where fitness starts from. You be walking and be looking at other women. Be looking at, go and marry. So you be looking at your wife. Don't be church. Show workings. Show workings. Number 10, as we have said earlier, copying women's style. it is forbidden for a man. Okay, let's now imagine a man wearing hijab. Does it make sense? No, it doesn't. A man should not copy a woman's dressing. A man should not copy a woman's way of life. As a man, why do you want to be wearing skirts? As a man, why do you want to be why? Number 11, it is forbidden for men to barb part of their head and leave part of their head. It is highly forbidden and prohibited for man to barb part of your head and leave part of your head. It is either you barb everything, shave it all, or leave it all. Number 12, wearing clothes below the ankle. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, the garments below your ankle are of the fire, and it is sunnah of the prophet Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not wear clothes that is below his ankle. All his clothes are always tofe, wearing it above the ankle. Number 13, which is the most important one, not providing for your family. In as much as Allah is the provider, beg him. As your wife is going to beg Allah for you. Do you know that the dua of a wife of a struggling man gets answered faster? As a man, please try to provide for your family, even if it is little. May Allah reward you as you do it. And may Allah abundantly bless your pocket. And number 14, to wrap it all up, you must go to the masjid Juma service. What are you doing at home? What are you doing at home? Why don't you go to Juma as a man? Are you a woman? Men, please. What are you doing? Let's go to Juma. You're not a Muslim. No, you're not a Muslim. I've concluded. You're not a Muslim if you're not going to Juma. You're not going to the masjid. Why are you not going? And some men are not even observing their Tarawih. I'm hungry right now. I am hungry right now. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all our good deeds as an act of ibadah. May He make us one of those who will enter Al-Jannah to Firdaus. And I still remain your humble friend, Salio Rafiat. So you guys should like, subscribe, comment, share with friends, turn on the notification button so that you are going to be receiving juicy stuffs from the table of Rafia. Bye.
لأنك الله لا خوف ولا قلق